This bill is another example of our government's strong and ongoing commitment to strengthening criminal justice response and improving community safety. Excuse me. As part of our government's policy to progressively phase out the use of suspended sentences, we introduced home detention orders in the sentencing amendment, phasing out of suspended sentencing bill in 2017. Home detention orders are provided for under Part 5A of the Sentencing Act 1997 and require an offender to be detained in a residence. Offenders are usually required to wear an electronic monitoring device throughout the period of the order, noting to date only one order has been made that was not subject to electronic monitoring. Madam Deputy Speaker, since the commencement of these provisions in 2019, there have been a small number of offenders who have removed or attempted to tamper with their electronic monitoring device. Currently, if someone removes their device, Community Corrections reports the breach to Tasmania Police and may then file a breach application with the court. This current process means that there can be a delay in returning the offender to custody immediately. This bill aims to ensure more timely and consistent responses to breach of conditions of home detention orders and to deter any person from removing or disabling an electronic monitoring device. Importantly, Madam Deputy Speaker, the bill enables a court, magistrate or justice to issue a warrant for arrest of an offender subject to a home detention order if the court, magistrate or justice believes on reasonable grounds that the offender has breached, is breaching or is about to breach a condition of the order. This provides another more efficient avenue for community corrections to seek to bring an individual back into custody where there is evidence of a breach of the order. Madam Deputy Speaker, in addition to the bill will also introduce two new offences within Part 5A of the Sentencing Act. Namely, it will be an offence for a person subject to a home detention order to tamper with, damage or disable any device used for the purpose of electronic monitoring, and it will also be an offence for a third party not subject to the order to tamper with, damage or disable any device used for the purpose of the electronic monitoring. Madam Deputy Speaker, this bill enables an application for a breach of a condition of a home detention order, as well as an application to vary or cancel an order to be heard where an individual on an order is already before the court on another matter, where the court considers this appropriate to do so. Madam Deputy Speaker, I congratulate the Attorney-General on his strong commitment to the safety of the Tasmanian community and bringing this important bill before the House, and I commend the bill to him.